Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Lee, and in this video tutorial I'll be showing you a simple way to multiply numbers in Excel. With this table as an example, you'll learn how to work out anything you need step by step. First, click the cell in which you want to display the result. Let's select cell C2 for our first calculation. Now find the equals key and press it. This tells Excel that you're about to enter a formula into the cell. Then click on the cell that contains the first number to be multiplied. In this case, it's cell A2. You'll see another part of the formula will appear after the equals sign. It's the cell reference A2. Next, add the symbol for the mathematical operation you want to carry out. In this case, you'll use an asterisk, which is used for multiplication in Excel. Then, let's click the cell that contains the multiplier in B. Now you've told Excel to multiply the number in A2 with the number in B2. Hit enter and you're done. The result is available at once. You can use similar steps to add, subtract or even divide in Excel. And here comes a handy little trick just for you. If you need to multiply the numbers in row 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we've just created, which is in cell C2. Then hover over the bottom right hand corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol, and use the left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And there you have it, you've multiplied the numbers in all the 3 rows. If you found this video helpful, like us and subscribe to receive more videos from Sheet Leveler. Learn more from our videos to help you use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.